The slow and meditative rhythm of knitting a mandala allows you to disconnect from external concerns and focus on the here and now. Let's start. We will start weaving rounds 1 to 5. We start with a double magical circle in which we are going to work 8 half double crochet. To close the magic circle, we are going to gently pull the end of the thread to identify which way the circle narrows. Then we take the other side and pull firmly until the first ring disappears. Now, we pull the initial thread tightly and our circle is closed very firmly. We close with 1 slip stitch in the first half double crochet. We continue rounds 2 to 5 according to the pattern. In round 2, we will make 1 increase in each stitch. In round 3, we will make an increase every 2 stitches. In round 4, 1 increase every 3 stitches, and in round 5, 1 increase every 4. We finish with 40 half double crochets. This is the heart of our mandala, which we will later protect with a flower. In round 6 we are going to work 1 puff 3, 2 chains, and then we skip 1 stitch. Skip 1 puff 3. We repeat until we finish the round. We close with 1 slip stitch in the closing chain of the first puff. In total, we will have 20 puffs 3, 20 chains 2. We are going to work 3 double crochets on the stitch from round 5 that was skipped in round 6. One double crochet. Two double crochet. And 3 double crochet. Continue until we finish the round. Close with 1 slip stitch in the first double crochet. At the end, we will have 60 double crochets. We are going to work 3 double crochets on the 3 double crochets from round 7. Chains 2. Now, we bring the puff from round 6 forward and we will work 1 single crochet front post. Chains 2. This sequence is repeated 19 more times. Close with 1 slip stitch in the first double crochet. Total 60 double crochets, 20 single crochets front post, 40 chains 2. In round 9 we are going to work 5 double crochets close together, making the first one in the 2 chains of the previous round, then 3 in the 3 double crochets and the last one in the following 2 chains. 2, 3, 4, and 5. We close together. 1 slip stitch in the 2 chains of round 6. Chains 2. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We close together. One slip stitch. Close with one slip stitch in the first slip stitch. Total 25 double crochets closed together, 20 chains 2, 20 slip stitches. In round 10, we are going to work in the 2 chains of the previous round. We are going to crochet 3 double crochets and 4 double crochets alternately. 1, 2, 3. In the next space. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, 3 double crochets. We repeat this sequence until we finish the round. We close with one slip stitch in the first double crochet. In total, 70 double crochets. We have finished the first part of the mandala and traveled to another world, that of colors and art. I hope you enjoyed it. Tell me, Did you feel how the tension dissipates and relaxes the mind with each point and every color you added to the mandala? Your experience is always important. The tissue connects us invisible beyond space and time.